You know, this book is kinda good. What kind of books do you like to read? Hi everyone, it's Scott from That's English School. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the word kinda. Here is today's lineup. Now, part 1, we'll talk about kinda as a type or a category of something. In part 2, kinda meaning a little. Part 3, kinda meaning looks like or it's similar to. Part 4, kinda meaning my kinda. And after that, I'll give you a comparison of kinda versus sorta. What's the difference? And finally, we'll look at 10 example sentences using kinda. Okay, I'm kinda ready to get started. How about you? So what is kinda? It's a reduction. It makes two words into one word. So we have kind of, kinda. They join together. Part 1. Using kinda for a category or a type of something. What kind of music are you into? I'm really into jazz. What kind of books do you read? I usually read mysteries. What kind of food do you like? I'm crazy about Chinese and Italian. Part 2. Kinda meaning a little, just a little bit. I'm kinda hungry. Today's kinda chilly, right? This sweater is kinda expensive. We can also use kinda to answer a question. Did you have a nice summer vacation? Yeah, kinda. Do you like the new English teacher? Yeah, kinda. His jokes were a bit cheesy. Are you busy this weekend? Yeah, kinda. I've got a few things to do. Part 3. Kinda meaning looks like or it's similar to. What's takoyaki? It's kinda like a dumpling with octopus in it. What does frog taste like? It's kinda like chicken. How's your new apartment? Pretty good. It's kinda like my last one. Part 4. Kinda meaning my kinda. So this means my own taste, something which I really like personally. My kinda. She's my kinda girl. She likes J-pop and pizza. It's not my kinda movie. Too much violence. Cheese and potato? Oh, this is my kinda snack. Kinda versus sorta. What's the difference? Well, basically, they are exactly the same. So, kind of is kinda. Sort of is sorta. The sentences mean the same, and the grammar is correct for both. What kind of car is that? What sort of car is that? I'm kinda cold. I'm sorta cold. He looks kinda like you. He looks sorta like you. This is my kinda bar. This is my sorta bar. No, that doesn't sound right. So my kinda is fine. But my sorta bar, it just sounds strange. It sounds weird. Be careful. Don't use my sorta in this way. You can use my kinda. This is my kinda bar. Warning! If you use kinda and sorta too much, it can start to look a little bit childish and it makes you look like you're a really unclear person. You're not answering clearly. It could be a little bit annoying. So Use kinda and sorta with discretion. How was school today? It was kinda, sorta, you know. Are you busy on Saturday? Kinda. I made some cookies. You want to try some? Yeah, kinda. Well, do you want to try one or not? Yeah, kinda. Well, don't get too excited. What kind of Japanese food do you like? What kind of job do you want to have in the future? These are my favorite kind of clothes. I think she's kinda angry. He's kinda crazy. Am I sleepy? Yeah, kinda. My brother is kinda like an artist. Konyaku is kinda like a tasteless jelly. Yes, this is my kind of place. Sun, sea, sand. My kind of vacation. The final part of our series in contractions is going to be about gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme 5. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.